Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today is a free electricity day. I'm with Octopus Energy. I'm not affiliated to them in any way. And there was 2 free hours of electricity today, which is the 4th of October 2025. And there's another hour of free electricity tomorrow. So how does Octopus do it? Let's have a little look. Okay, how does free electricity work? Sign up and we'll email you for upcoming free electricity times. So it's called Octopus. So if you pay by direct debit or prepayment meter, you're eligible for it. And the day before the free electricity session, we will email you to let you know in time when it's on. So generally it's an hour, but today it was 2. When it comes, it uses more electricity. When the time comes, use more electricity to maximise the freeness. Do your vacuum, which I did. Turn the dishwasher, well I haven't got a dishwasher, or your washing machine on. I did a normal clothes wash, and at the moment, if you can hear it in the background, I've just done a bed and wash, so it's nearly finished now. So I'm maximising the 2 hours and make lunch or an early dinner, which I have. I made a veggie pasta bake. I've made some baked potatoes. I did some chicken satays, and I did a couple of burgers. I managed to film them this time before my son ate them. And I had some pork as well, flavoured pork. I got this for half price in Asda yesterday, so I thought I'd cook it up now. I can cut it up into little pieces, 2 pieces I can have with a salad or a baked potato, and the other 2 I'm going to chop up and make a foo young. So rather than having a plain egg foo young, I'm going to have a pork foo young. So I'm maximising as much as I can. I boiled a full kettle of water because I boil a kettle of water every day, so I've got safe drinking water. And I've been making lots of drinks. So let me know in the comments below, do you do this as well? What do you do to save energy? My son put his little electric heater on in his room because it was cold today, so it warmed his room up. So there's loads of ways you can use this electricity that's for free, because why not? Because often we don't get anything for free, do we? I've heard British Gas have just recently started doing it as well. They must be feeling left out, or maybe customers have complained. So it says here, if you're on Intelligent Octopus or Intelligent Flux, it works a bit different, so you need to ask them about it. So what happens at the end of the free session? Within a week of this session, we'll email you, let you know how you did, how much extra power you used compared to normal. And within 2 weeks, we'll pay that amount into your account as a bill credit. Okay, so this is how it's done. So there's a cup, and there's always a message on your account. Like today, it says between 12 and 2 on October the 4th, and between 11 and 12 tomorrow on Sunday the 5th of October. So why not sign up for it if you're already with Octopus? It's called Octopus Plus. Or if you're with British Gas, sign up for it as well. I'm not sure what other energy companies, I don't know if the others are doing it. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll tell everyone next week on Frugal Friday. I'm just chuffed. I got a load of cooking done all at once, so that'll do us for 2-3 days. I got a load of washing done, hoovering done, lots of brews, coffee and tea, free kettle of boiled water. That's just great. So I think it's a good idea. So bye for now, and if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe?